In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tabs in Google Sheets. Whether you're working with multiple data sets across different tabs or simply trying to consolidate information for better analysis, merging tabs in Google Sheets can streamline your workflow efficiently. So let's dive right in and simplify that process for you. To get started, you'll first need to open your Google Sheets file. With Google Sheets being a cloud-based service, you can easily access your work from any device with internet access. So, go ahead and open up the spreadsheet where you want to merge tabs. Once you've got your spreadsheet open, navigate to the first tab you want to use and click on cell A3. Selecting the right starting cell is important as it will determine where your merged data begins. Cell A3 is a good starting point because it leaves room above for any headers or additional data you might want to include later. Now for the magic part, type in the formula EAC query, sheet 2, A3, H116, sheet 3, A3, H16. Select where call 1 is not null. DRs. Let's break this down a bit for clarity. The formula utilizes the query function, which is immensely powerful for extracting and manipulating data within Google Sheets. The curly braces bars are used to combine ranges from different sheets. In this case, we're pulling ranges from sheet 2 and sheet 3. The A3H16 part indicates the range of cells from each sheet you want to merge. Be sure to adjust these accordingly to match the actual ranges you are using. The part after the comma is the query string at select, where call 1 is not null, which instructs Google Sheets to select all columns where the first column, call 1, is not empty. This is particularly useful for skipping any rows that might not have data in that first column, thereby maintaining a neat and compact result. Finally, the 0 at the end of the formula tells Google Sheets that we don't have a header row in our selection, so no special handling for headers is needed. And there you have it. By entering this formula and hitting enter, your selected data from both tabs will be seamlessly merged into one consolidated list starting from cell A3. If your data updates or changes, this formula will automatically adjust, so you always have the latest merged data at your fingertips. Feel free to explore other functionalities within the query function if you want to customize your data processing further. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your data processes in Google Sheets. Joining tabs is a powerful technique for anyone looking to get a clearer overview of their data sets. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.